Hey guys, so I just arrived in Sintra and my car is over there. Oh my god, from what I saw before while driving here, it's so beautiful and I'm so excited to take you with me because I'm gonna be a full tourist today. Real I'm not sure where to go, but I think I'm on the right track because I really want to discover the castle. I really love castles. I always had a thing for medieval stuff. When I was young, I always watched medieval stuff with my dad. So up there's a castle. Oh my goodness. Pretty sure that I took a way that is pretty much not supposed to walk because you don't really have a footpath, and all the tuk-tuk drivers, like the one behind me, keep asking me if I want to have a ride. Pena's like, and I'm the same. It's pretty exhausting to walk all this way because I'm sweating a lot. I should probably take my sweater off. Decided not to take the car because it's too exhausting, and it's such a nice old car in purple. Walking.
No. this way it's maybe 1 hour and a half.
1 hour and a half?
No, yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
If you go the other side, the gardens, it's maybe 45 minutes.
We are here in the castle Sintra, and I'm just getting so confused. I don't even know where I am because I didn't even Google anything. So this is some kind of a castle, and she gave me the ride for free, and even like her number, if I need something around here, she would help me. It's so cute. And now I'm gonna figure out if I can walk the dog inside, although I'm not super sure if I can. So I put Pena here. I had to talk to the serviceman, to the police, to everyone. They would take a look for the dog while I'm gone. I'm pretty sure that no one's going to take it because the officer is going to have a look. 3 people are kind of watching him, and I think this should be okay. I won't be long. I do feel a little bit uncomfortable leaving him there, but I will hurry up as fast as I can because normally I would leave him in the car. But yeah, I don't know. I don't feel really comfortable because normally when he's in the car, I know he's safe there. It's not like he doesn't get no air, so I also have the fan for him to breathe. But I don't know. I took him here, and I hope that it will be okay.
Buried undercover with you, with the victims of a lazy afternoon, and in the afterglow, felt closer to home, 'cause you illuminate the feeling in my bones. Is it something in the water? Is it something in the way you move? 'Cause something in the water.
I'm leaving again. I literally stayed like 10 minutes just to have a quick look because I felt a bit uncomfortable leaving the dog there, so I'm gonna go back to him. And you will always see the Chinese people taking all the pictures. It's so funny every single time. Yeah, I'm just feeling so touristy, but every now and then my Asian part's coming out. The trees here are huge, beautiful. I really love it. It's so relaxing. I'm just not really relaxed because of Pena. The next time I'll leave him in the car. That's what I normally do in France, and I went to Versailles. I also left him in the car, and he's fine because it's insulated. I parked somewhere in the shadow, and it's like as if he's sleeping there at night with me. So normally it's fine, but I took him out. I don't know why. I actually knew that dogs are not allowed in like monumental places, but just stupid. Here's my pretty boy. Look at him. Hello. Hello, baby. Hello, my baby. I'm so happy now again. I felt so bad for leaving him here outside, but I really went really fast and then I came out. Totally lost because I don't know where I left my car. I mean, I do know where it is, but I don't know how to get there because I took that tuk-tuk obviously, and I have no battery anymore in my phone, so I'm not really sure how to here's my car. I'm actually just on the road, literally. As you see, oh my god, today was so exhausting. I just had a little rest in the van, and I thought, now I'm gonna leave the dog there. It's nighttime because he's sleeping anyway, and I'm just gonna walk a little bit in the center, just walking because it's so big here. And yeah, this is gonna be my sleep place. It's pretty loud because the cars are kind of just passing by every time, but I was too exhausted to drive somewhere else, so I'm just gonna stay there and I don't care. Yeah, I'll try to find a toilet somewhere now in a restaurant or so. I feel like everything is pretty much closed, maybe except for some restaurants, but actually I don't even mind because, you know, it's such a tourist city, and I actually like it that no one is here right now, so I have pretty much everything for myself. And look at these little tiny roads, aren't they just so cute? I love that. I really love it.
In the afterglow, I never felt closer to home, 'cause you illuminate the feeling in my bones. Is it something in the water?
And in this restaurant now, and there's the toilet for me to go, but you're not gonna see that. I'm really here by myself, and I was only going for the dessert because, you know, I was here anyway. And it took me 5 or 10 minutes to decide what I want because I couldn't decide. So now I went for the apple crumble because they said it's really good. So I'm just gonna trust it. People are awake already, and I'm just here in my pajamas. But I'm ready for Sintra Day 2 because we still have so much to discover.
You'll never come back down. When we feel the rain, we can plan a
New day, new start. I just walked Pena for like an hour or so, and now we're gonna go to this really amazing castle that I saw so many beautiful pictures of. It has like a kind of a labyrinth or something.
keeps me coming back to you.
Bought the ticket, and it was about €6, which is way cheaper than the other one I went yesterday. It cost me about 14, and I think this one is going to be even more prettier. They gave me a map. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of walking today. Luckily I'm wearing some good shoes today and not like yesterday when I was wearing like flip-flops. I actually found a spot where there's no one really walking, and it's like I'm going deeper and deeper down. Woo! Oh god, I got scared. Oh, I'm sorry. Someone just came past and I was like scared because I didn't expect him to be here. I got so scared. I don't know if you see it. It's like so much water dripping from the cave.
It's something in the way you move, 'cause something in the water keeps me coming back to you. Is it something in the water? Is it something back to you?
Saw the pictures on the internet, it's like, wow, that's so pretty. And it is really pretty.
So I am from Israel, hello camera.
Yeah, we just met.
Sintra is beautiful, they see it.
I'm just sitting here on the floor and trying to figure out what I'm gonna do next. And tomorrow is your flight back home, so I'm gonna bring them to Lisbon.
Go to Israel, back to the Holy Land, Terra Santa. Zion with Susie Cruz!
Oh, sieht ein bisschen durch den Wind aus eigentlich.
Will you marry me? Ich find's gut, dass du auch auf Englisch guckst.
Yeah. I think that was pretty much it. I'm still here in Lisbon, just parking next to another big camper van. The view that I have with the bridge and the Jesus status. And the place is quite full of RV. It's still in the morning, so no one is woken up. And this is the girl that I was yesterday with. She just saw my van and she noticed me and she came over and we had a really nice girls' night, just watching some movies and talking a lot about girl stuff. So it was quite nice. So I hope you enjoy it and you got a little bit of an insight of how it is actually to travel with the van in a touristy place. And I'll see you next time. Bye!
Plan or escape. Just run away and leave it all. Is it salmon in the water? Is it salmon in